How to use Lotus Lantern application. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to get started and use the Lantern app. Now, Lotus Lantern application is a mobile app for iOS and Android that controls smart LED strips light via Bluetooth. Your first move is to go into your Google Play Store and make sure that Lotus Lantern is downloaded and installed. This is the application should look like. Now open up the app. Then make sure that your Bluetooth device is enabled so that your mobile device will be able to um, have a vision of the connection on your physical LED strip light. So below is you can see adjust style music, mic, and schedule. This is where you can adjust the color of the RGB of your strip light by using your preferred color, choosing classic color, and on style. This is where you can use dynamics styles, which is for white strobe flash, static red, static blue, and so on and so forth. You can also try to use the music tab or the music feature, allowing you to sync the current music that you would like to play and will also take effect on the strobe or any style of lights that you use on Lotus Lantern. That's basically pretty much it. That's your starting points for you to be able to use Lotus Lantern app.